Welcome to my digital online learning system, and let's talk on mathematics. So we are going to start with area, and we tackle the area of triangles. I'm Duncan. Feel most welcomed and enjoy the lesson. Thank you. Area number 1, triangles. So triangle is a three-sided figure, and for part A we are having a right angle triangle. So for us to work the area, we will use the formula half times base times height, or half BH. Part B we have scalene, so we must work out the height since we have the base. So the area of a scalene also is half times base times height. So remember, height is always perpendicular, meaning it is at 90 degrees. So you have to sort out the height and know its value is when you work out the area of scalene. A scalene is now somehow an irregular triangle. Part C, we are having an equilateral triangle. So this one, the height falls in between, yani in the middle. So it comes from the top point to the base. So we have to draw an imaginary line indicating the height, and now the area is equal to half times base times height. So remember, there are some units which must be used, like meters, centimeters, and so on. So our example number 1 is work out the area of the triangle below. So our triangle is an inverted one, so the base is 20 centimeters and height is 10 centimeters. So working it out, we say the area is equal to half times base times height. So that is half times 20 times 10. So 2 goes into 20 10 times. So we have 10 times 10, which is 100 centimeters squared. On the other hand, we can work out the measure of height or base if area is given and maybe height or base is missing, one of them is missing. So for us to get height, we say height is equal to area all over half base, or 2 times area all over base. Then for us to get base, we say area is area all over half times height, or 2 times area all over height. So in general, we can formulate the formulas. Area in a triangle with 3 lines, so area on top, so area is equal to half times base times height. Base below is area all over half times height. Then height is equal to area all over half base. So that's the shortest way we can work out it, or you can have it in mind so that you can work out with it. So we have an example here that given that the area of a triangle is 120 meters squared and height is 12 meters, work out its base. So base is equal to area all over height, or 2 times area all over height. So 120 meters squared all over half times 12. If you cancel those things, you will end up with 20 meters. So our base is equal to 20 meters. The same applies when you are looking for height. So in the case in case there is no measurement of height or base, then we can be having hypotenuse. So we can use the Pythagoras Theorem, or we can use the formula given below. So the formula is height, which is small h, is equal to hypotenuse minus base squared. Then you check on the square root. Then base, which is small b, is equal to square root of hypotenuse squared minus height squared. Then hypotenuse, which is capital H, is equal to square root of height squared plus base squared. So ensure that you work smart whenever you are dealing with area of triangles.